Hey friends, so today, as you might have seen in the title, we are doing a room clean, deep clean. I'm not gonna like reorganize my room and such, or at least it's not the plan, but I do want to really clean and put a bit of order because I've been feeling so stuck lately with life in general, and I feel like a room reset might help. So I'm doing that. I'm not gonna start today. Maybe I'm gonna start tonight actually. But we are the 24th, 23rd, 24th of August today, and I am beginning university again on the 15th of September, I think. I'm gonna do a master's degree in physics, in theoretical physics. Entirely taught in English, near Paris. So that's gonna be huge for me. It's gonna be really the start of something new. No double degree anymore, just a simple degree in English, which overjoys me so much. I can't even tell you just how happy I am that I got accepted into this formation, into this master's degree. I'm just so glad. I didn't think I would get in, and I did. So yeah. But yeah, I might start cleaning tonight a little bit, but I have been having really bad sleep the past few days, so I just want a good night of sleep. I think I'm gonna go to bed at like 9, maybe 10, but yeah. The point is that we're doing a room reset, and I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you are excited to watch this little room reset with me. And yeah, let's just get started.